Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I last uploaded. It's been a while. I just really haven't had the time to do YouTube, but I've decided to come back to YouTube and just be more consistent with it. So, I'm back today, and it's gonna be a unboxing video that I'm gonna do, and it's gonna be on the Apple iPhone 12. Now I got this from Amazon, and I actually got it refurbished, and it was in excellent condition. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing for you. Now, at the moment I use iPhone 11, and I've had that for like 3 years, and it's time for a change because my iPhone 11 is glitching. It's when you Instagram, for example, when you press the heart, the video just freezes and then it plays really quick. So I think there's a hardware issue because I think I dropped it, and the haptics don't work either. The vibration, that doesn't work either. So I think I caused a hardware issue. So it is time for a new one. So yes, I would have got the iPhone 13, 14, 15, but I went in the Apple store, had a look at them. They're okay, but I'll get the 12. So as I said, I got the 12 from Amazon, and I'm gonna do the unboxing for you. And I got it in the white color. So open this out. Let's see if it comes in the Apple box, or let's see. Because it's refurbished, I don't know. Did it come in the Apple box? No. Look at this. Let's see. This is the refurbished box. And there we go. It looks great. Looks really good. That's in very, very good condition. Very good condition indeed. And it's refurbished, and it's excellent condition that I saw on Amazon. And I paid for this £235. And it looks great. It looks really, really good. There's no scratches, there's no marks, the screen is really good. It's quite light, the phone. It's not heavy. It looks great. Looks, yeah, really, really good. And you can buy these brand new from Apple, and I believe they're about £400, £500 brand new. But refurbished is fine. And this is 5G. From the iPhone 12, iPhone mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and going up to the 13s or 14s, 15s, they're all 5G. So you get faster internet speeds, 5G. Yeah, I do like the white. Yeah, look, it looks really good. Now you got the iPhone 12 Pro, which this bit is shiny. People don't really like that because bless me. Yeah, people don't really like the Pro model because this bit gets all fingerprinty. So when you do that, like, all your fingerprints will be on there, and people are saying they're forever wiping it. But on the original 12, you won't get that because it's not shiny. And the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, they have 3 cameras at the back, where the normal 12 has 2. Sorry, I'm coughing. But yeah. Yeah, that looks great. Yeah, I'm really happy that I got it. Um, let me know which phone you have. Let me know. Did you ever have an iPhone 12 when it first came out? Because I believe this phone is now 4 years old, I think. 3 or 4 years old now, it is. But yeah, it's great. Um, yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching today. Thank you for watching my little unboxing video of the iPhone 12. And it did came with this. But I have the Type C Lightning, USB Lightning um to Type C, which I use for my iPhone 11. So I'll be charging that with this one because it's very quick to charge. Okay, thank you so much for watching today. Yeah, wonderful. Thank you. Bye.